Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix FPS stuck at 60 in Fortnite and how you can overall uncap your FPS, right? So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, press on the profile icon here on the top right, then go to settings, then go to video, and here should be frame rate limit. Make sure that it matches your monitor. For me it's 240 or it's unlimited. So let's do with the monitor and then click apply. Also make sure that VSync is turned off as well, and then you need to look if you're getting more FPS than 60 or not. If problem still persists, then completely close Fortnite. If you're on PC, then you need to go to on search, display settings, and on display settings you need to scroll down until you see advanced display. Select that, select your monitor that you play Fortnite, and then make sure that refresh rate is highest here. Then you need to open up, right click on the blank space on your desktop, show more options, or open up NVIDIA control panel. If you're using AMD, I believe there's a pretty similar process to that. Go to change resolution, make sure your resolution is maximum here as well. Then go to manage 3D settings, scroll down until you see vertical sync. Make sure this is turned off, and then max frame rate should be either on off or it matches your monitor's frame rate. Press OK, apply, and your problem should be fixed.